The robot was unveiled at Kyoto Temple to share Buddha's teachings in plain terms. Mindar is modeled after Buddhist goddess of mercy, Kannon. The deity transforms itself into various forms to help people. This time, Kannon changed into an android, according to the temple.
最後に、あなたたちに素敵な言葉をプレゼントしよう。ギャーベギャーベハハラギャーベ。
She gave a speech on the Heart Sutra and humanity, with English and Chinese subtitles projected on the wall. If an image of Buddha speaks, teachings of Buddhism will probably be easier to understand, said Tensho Goto, the chief steward of the temple in Kyoto. We want many people to come to see, and to think about the essence of Buddhism. We are the Robot Reporters. Subscribe to our channel for interesting stories of robots.